Today, let me congratulate you all here first for the passion you have given for the Lionism, really giving you a 4 days valuable time here, leaving your personal time, business, all your pubbing time, all these things. Really great dedication for you. And I have been told these are the best participants in our LLI so far. Let us clap for ourselves, sir. Please. Today we are going to, what is the subject? Diversity. What is diversity?
Range of different things and elements.
Okay. Any more? Okay. Any more from that table, Lotus? One thing I want to tell you, whenever we ask a question, feel free to give your reply, whether it may be right or wrong. If it is wrong, heaven is not going to fall down. Only thing, we'll be correcting ourselves with a new answer. That's it. What's the right answer? Yes, absolutely right. Who is the senior most line here? With 20 years? Anybody is here with 20 years? Please, you come down here, sir. Who is the youngest line here in 2 years, 3 years, 4 years? You, Ramlu? 3 years. 1 year. Who is 1 year? You please come down. For one table, it's not good here. Well, I'll take from here. Sorry, sir. Please come down. Now, you people has to find out the people similar to you or like you in your table. I'll give you 2 minutes time.
Similar to means yes,
Matching, anything. It may matching, education, all, most of the things, what is the thing you feel is like you. You also same thing, sir. You have to identify the person who is similar to you. I'll give you 2 minutes. 12:04, you have to report me. You have to get that person. Means anything, what you feel is nearest to me. Get me that person. Go to your table, sir. Any table you can give. You feel free to. Talk to them, look at them. Just in 2 minutes, you have to pick up your partner and come with me. Sir, everybody is attracted to Lotus only. Cover. Nothing. Yeah. Come down. You know his name? Then what you have done? You should ask all the things. How he is similar to you? How you found that he was similar to you?
He is also a youngest lion.
Okay. Okay, anyway. You should discuss with them, find out. He is similar to your ideas, your thought, your thing, all everything, age and everything. Nearest to that, you have to bring. Just like that, don't pick. Go back.
5 minutes more.
No, only 2 minutes I'll give you. You know his name?
yes, sir.
In his which club?
He is from Varangal.
Varangal. Okay. Right. Let us wait for him. Dear line, make it faster. Meanwhile, this table people come down here. Stay in a straight line. Be free, sir. Be comfortable. It's facing me in the line, straight line. Straight line. You have to keep 2 steps for left and right. Okay? You only 1 line. So you both also can go and throw the form into the line. Always ladies first. I appreciate that. No. Lakshmi, sir. Come, you have to pick up a person. You picked up? Okay, all other lines are requested to join him. Shall we do one thing? Shall we go out? That will be better, I think. Recording is there, right? Okay, sorry. Make it in 2 lines at least. All the lines, sir. All the participants. Make it in 2 lines. Only 2 lines, sir. All participants should form. Come little bit further. Little further, please. Yeah, that's it. Anywhere, wherever comfortable, wherever, ఎక్కడైనా పర్వాలేదండి. Just, you can join any line. There's no restriction. Who believes Lionism strongly believes in service? They may go to the right. They may go to the right. Who believes that belongs to service? Right side. Yeah, you just move. Who believes Lionism is for service? Only important factor is service and fellowship. Okay, that's it. Yeah. No. Your line, you maintain your line. Later on, we'll mingle it. These two lines, we maintain it. Who are above 60 years may go to left. This side will be go to right, your left, and this one will be to the right. Who are above 60 years. Who have done post-graduation in this line? Who have done PG may go there. Education. Yeah, right. Here also, who have done PG may come there. Who are above 6 feet may come here. Who are about 6 feet? Okay. 5'11". You come down here, sir. Yeah. Like this. 5'8". 5'11". Be honest. Huh? 5'10". Just from your place, just little out, sir. Little out. Because we don't have much space. That's the reason I want to go out. Evandi? Both the things, sir. One after one, we had to slowly move one by one, little bit, half feet, like that. No group, sir. We'll identify how different people are here. And who believes leadership is a born or acquired? Leadership to paatu manam puttama letha nerchukuntama. Who believes that we have to learn? Not little bit. We don't have much time. Little bit. That's it. Now, who are 1 year line? You come down this. Separate. 1 year line. 1 year lines may come down. Who have white hair? White hair, gray hair? No. Then I will ask you that. Right now, who has white hair? White hair. You're colored here. White hair. Please come down, sir. Who have gray color and dyed it? Colored it. Ladies exempted. You're colored, sir. Come down, sir. Come down. కొంచెం దూరంగా ఉండండి. You also colored. Yeah. Whatever it may be. You come down here, sir. Who are done president? Done. Already done. Okay. All presidents will go to right side. All presidents. I will ask you. Present presidents are come to my left. Present presidents. So, overall diversity, we have got some similarities. Let us take the present presidents. Let all of us go to your seats, please, because you don't have more space. Actually, the idea of this game is to nucleize the things and show individually everybody is different from other. Because you don't have the place here, that's the reason we are doing it. All present presidents may come. Do you think they are all similar? All present presidents? Differences are there. What are the differences you find from them? They have lines, common. They are present presidents. Gender difference is there, one thing. Age difference is there. Socio-economic differences, yeah. Please speak out, sir. Nothing is going wrong. Height difference is there, yeah. Ideology is the same. Education is different. And The physique of the personalities is different. Appearance is different. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. I'll tell you one adult education. If I get a time, I'll give you one practical example. So, still they are lines, united by lines. That's very important. We have diversity. What is exactly meaning of diversity in Telugu? Anybody can tell? Vairidyam is true translation of diversity, meaning what you said is right. Both are right, but technically, correct true translation is that. Vairidyam. Diversity says, do the things differently, the same project, not the same way. Do it little, add some colors to it, interest to it. Then the people will. If it is a monotonous, if everybody sees the same meeting, same type of people, nobody interested to come. Nowadays, even traffic, attending a meeting itself, the biggest traffic. Traffic time you have to give at least 2 to 3 hours now, up and down. So nobody, if it until it is interesting, nobody will be coming out. It is all in your hands to make interesting, lively. How you going to make? You have 100 ideas. You will be rotating within the 100 ideas only. You don't get new ideas. When a new generation or new person comes in, he may be giving a new thoughts. But unfortunately here, most of the places, you are not accepting in a position to accept the new ideas. Whenever they say, no, your new line, it is not practicable, we are doing it. We'll doing that class also. Please, claps for this president, please. What we have learned from this? Okoka table. Yeah. Okay. Any more? Okay. Okay. Or your clubs are accepting the new ideas? Or your clubs are accepting the new ideas? Or no? Open be honest. Just for a class purpose, don't say yes. Yeah. How about you people? Number one. New idea, are you accepting the new ideas from new lines or new entered lines?
Definitely.
Are they engaged in your projects? Or new lines are engaged in your projects? Please,
Yes.
let it open.
Yes.
Yes. How about you?
Yes. Somewhat.
No?
Somewhat.
Some. Just about 5 people may come. How many tables? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One from on the table, please. Follow the process. Video. Yes, be a circle. You are all lines, senior lines. You are discussing. Each table one will miss. Each table will come up. You will close yourself, you discuss among yourself, and new person comes. Don't allow them, respect them, or talk to them, not give, ask him to come. Just you ignore him, and you discuss your own things. Understand? Got it?
Yes, sir.
You have to discuss your thing. Not allow anyone to come. Not. Ignore him. You just circle like this, you talk to them. You know, and don't allow that person to enter. Okay? Madam, you are a shy lady. You are joined liaison recently. That is your liaison. You want to join. Go and try yourself. Madam, that's sufficient. You come back. Now your roles change. When she comes, you have to greet them. Good morning, madam. You are most welcome to join us. Please share your ideas. Like that, you have the club. Again, you try this.
Use this room plan.
I'm Padmavati, and I joined recently. So, we like to join your club. Can you share the activities, what we are doing? Can you share me more?
Yeah, actually, we are very close to introducing ourselves, but I don't do it.
I'm Padmavati. I'm staying in Hyderabad. So, I was into business previously. Now, I just want to pursue the passion and what to do. Can you share about the activities of the club?
Actually, my activity is about business and bus shelters.
We have one more project in Challapalli Industrial Estate. It's Vidya Mission High School. We are every year we are promoting shoes and uniforms. And we are awarding cash prizes for top.
Yes, that's correct. Thank you. Oh, God. 1 minute. Madam? Madam, give your experience, first experience and second experience.
Yeah, initially, I'm joined Edison with a lot of
No, no.
enthusiasm.
What is your
And
experience?
so I went for the club meeting, and then I found that everybody was friends and nobody was accepting me. So I found lost and said, if this is what it is, let me not come to tomorrow. This is the last.
This is the experience you want to have the new lines to have this type of experience joining Lions Club?
No.
Is right?
No.
For this type of experience, no need to pay and attend the lines. Right or wrong? Please, when you go back to your clubs, see that new ideas, new approaches, new perspectives should be supported. And if any shortcuts is there, you have to explain this is the way. Don't say you're new, you don't know. Explain them what is the problem is in implementing his ideas. The second experience, right?
They all welcomed me very warmly, and I felt this is the right place. I have joined the right club, so I can pursue my passion and do. So now I have become very enthusiastic, and then I would put in my best, 100% into the club to continue like this.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
We should encourage this type of thing. Second type of experience. Every line should be having the second type of experience, not the first one. Today's sessions is going to be define diversity. Already we have been. Okay. First one, identifying dimensions of diversity. Normally, what is the dimension of diversity? Anybody can tell us, please? What is dimension of diversity? Normally, we limit to age, general. Maximum these three things. Normally, in overall, general, accepted norms is this. Dimension is this. Cultural. How many states are there in?
29.
You are looking back, sir, 29. Now recently the Kashmir state is. It's the 28 states we have got. You may similar to another in some ways. You are different from. That's what we have demonstrated in the line now. First exercise was that. Let us watch it. Video. Little volume, please. Little increase. Lights थोड़ा बंद करो. वॉइस और बढ़ता नहीं. थोड़ा लाइट लगाओ.
I'm from Ajmer. Shamsher, I'm from Ajmer. I speak Urdu, but I'm just like you. My name is Arundhati. I'm from Guwahati. My name is Arundhati. I'm from Guwahati. I speak Assamese, but I'm just like you. My name is Benjamin. I'm from Panjim. My name is Benjamin. I'm from Panjim. I speak Konkani, but I'm just like.
What we learned from that song? Divided by culture, united by India. We are Indians. Right. What is this? If you mix all these things, you are going to get a delicious cake. That's called diversity. We had different thoughts. You had to put it in proper proposition to get our best results. Dimensions. There are two dimensions. One is primary dimension, second is secondary one. What is primary? What is primary? Anybody can tell, please? Please attempt yourself. Okay? Any more? Babu? Primary and secondary. Primary is that cannot be changed. Secondary is that can be changed. I don't have a manual with me. I think chapter 7, page number 53, if I'm not wrong. 53? Things that cannot be changed. The secondary item inside, you have to write down. In the circle, you have to write the things cannot be changed. Can be changed. Second one, outer one, that can be changed. Write down. Take a pencil and write down. Finally, I'll show you the gist. Anything that your age is there that you cannot change. The light is there, you cannot change. Whatever you think, which cannot be changed. First you write which cannot be, primary you write.
Color, age, change gaani height. Color change. Weight can be changed.
Weight can change.
Height cannot change.
Check, check, hello. Check, check, hello. Check, hello. Check, 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 hello. Check, hello. Hello. Check, hello. Hello. Check, hello. Check. Check. Hello. 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 Check. Hello.
పద్మావతి గారు దూరం రా, రాములు. రండి రాములు గారు. ఓన్లీ వన్ ఐటమ్ హ్యాడ్ టు రైట్, నాట్ ఆల్ ఐటమ్స్. మీ టేబుల్లో కూడా 1 person should be ready. Every table 1 person should be ready to write 1 primary items. Every table. You be ready, madam. Only one. Book akkaledu. No need for book. Just write down on the flip chart. Flip chart. Write only primary. Primary. Okay, that's it. That's it. Okay, okay table. Second table. Another. Different color, sir. So you will be knowing who is written down. Next, you be here. No problem. More scientific way you're gone. You're right. Here we can DNA. Gender. Yeah. Can be changed. Sir, one thing can be tell, there will be exceptional cases. Even height also, one global doctor has tried and miserably failed. So don't think that height can be changed. So these all things, 1 or 2 exceptions will be there. Let us not take into that. Mother tongue. Right, good. Meera madam, anybody can come. Yeah, anyone. One from one table, that's it. Fingerprints, good. Our table, last lotus. Height. Is that true? Okay. Anything unique, you can write it. Blood group. Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, right. Yes, sir. Race? Ethnic. Right, right on. Right on. Take the pen. Yes. Written, okay. Correct. Identification marks. Mole, MOL, less. Marks are moles, okay. No problem. Is it all correct? That cannot be changed. Don't say that I put a black mark and make a similar identification mark. Okay, now let us go into the secondary. Secondary, we have a lot of items that can be changed. I'll give 2 members from each table to write down. Madam, you come down first. That can be changed. We mean to say that secondary, 2 persons, the first person may not come, other 2 persons may give the chance. Applicant, I'll call you the table, sir. Shashikant, I'll call you. The madam is coming. Sir, Manish, sir. Sir, prominently keep your name card facing me, please, so I can understand. Sir, already you had done. You send someone else. Oh, thank you. What is your education, madam? PG, I know. Oh, great. A round of applause for you. కొంచెం పైకి రాయమ్మా. All right. Attitude, that can be changed from time to time, from person to person also. If you're talking to a higher level person, our attitude changes. If you talk to a lower person below than us, definitely our attitude gets changed. The arrogance will come to the person when you're talking below us, and the respect will be there when you're talking to the highest people. Is it true or wrong? Just table, please. Me table. Oh, faster time waste. Let us not waste the time. Designation, right. One more person, yes. Ready. Go side a little bit. One after one, you can just finish it up. Religion is a little, nowadays baptism can be done, but nowadays it's a controversial, right, something else. Which should go smoothly, no controversy. The people who start, yes, religion can be changed, some people say cannot be changed. Yeah. Language can be changed. You believe that? What is your mother tongue? Telugu. What is the changed language now?
Hindi, English.
Have you changed your Telugu to Hindi? No? This is all controversial. Religion, language can be changed, but very rarely we see. You're right. Huh? Language, spoken language is normally there. When you go to Madras or Chennai, you are forced to change language. But it's a controversy. That's what I'm telling you. No, this can be changed on the necessity of the place. Yeah. Behavior, attitude, same. Yeah. Sorry. Yes, sir. Huh? I will try. CH. Character can be changed. Will not change. Changes. చిన్నగా రాయమ్మా ఏంటా weight, yeah, absolutely right. Weight, socio-economic. You made a khichdi, everything is mixed in it. Yeah, right, sir, no problem. Socio-economic is education, financial, everything. Social status, everything it comes into one shot. He has killed all the birds, not two birds. Yes, absolutely right. Absolutely right. A round of applause for him because very apt to change for us. When you are going to change this, the club and district, you fight with your district governor or with your club president? No, when you are going to change the club or district, just for fun sake I am talking about. No. One issue is that, I not wish that, fighting with the district governor or the president. Other one is, when you migrate one place to other place, you are forced to go. That is the second way, is accepted way. Okay, what we all learned from this? What we have learned from this? When we propose some new ideas, we have to see practically can be done or not. Which is can be done, we call it a secondary. Which is cannot be done is a primary. Basically, this is the one. This all belongs to these two categories only. Which can be done, which cannot be done. Understand? Any questions? Please feel free to ask. When diversity comes, many new ideas may come, which may be not conducive to our Lionism or which may not be practical. Many may be practically possible. There we have to support us. Encourage them, motivate them, support them. And the new ideas, when you come, automatically people get more interest involved. You can see, can you read it? Kunja lights off, Jim. Switch off the lights, please. Let it be like that. Got it? Most of the gist what we have made here is been reflected there. Generalized is just a gist. It's not necessary to be same. This is Diversity and Lions Club of Hyderabad. Lions Club of Hyderabad is 62 years old, globally known for its permanent projects. Okay, that club and diversity, how it goes, let us see. I'll tell you the scenario now. Please carefully listen to me. Today, committee meeting is taking place at Hyderabad Lions Club. Committee members have assembled to discuss the upcoming annual service project. The goal of the meeting is to plan and coordinate the project, which only 2 months away from today. Line Srinivas. Who want to be act like a Line Srinivas? Line Srinivas, put your tag here. Here, sir. Yes. What's your name, madam? What is your name? Come down, please. Now, these people has to going to practically give a mock session now. Please pull your chairs along with you. Please pull your chairs along with you. Help her. Madam. chairman of the committee has to be. One more person who does not talk at all. Just smile. Who is that? There is a smiling yes over here. Even if it's cold, you should smile. Who will really take that? Anybody? Yes, then next one is, your job is just to remind. You can just hold you also, you have to put your back, right? Easy, right? Line Srinivas, this is your character, you read it for 2 minutes. Who's Ramesh? Line Ramesh? This is your character, please read for 2 minutes. Line Mohan? This is your character. Line Shari? Yes, sir. Line Shailaja? Basically, I'll tell you, you are a shy girl, but you have innovative ideas and good circle who can get sponsorship and all, but you are shy to speak and you observe the table rules, like raising the hand, then you speak to the president. Most of the time you are not allowed to speak. Vishal, please go through the characters, sir. Vishal. Anand, you have to put the card here, yeah? When I take the video, you should get your name. Everybody put your card there. Who is Vishal? Vishal. Anand. You come. కొంచెం వెనక్కి వెళ్ళండి. As a shy girl, don't try to be too close. Has to be with it. If people have to tell, you have to.
You have given me the opposite character.
సార్ మీరు కొంచెం వచ్చేసి అర్థం వస్తుంది.
So మీకు మైక్ నాకు అవసరం లేదు, నేను నాకు నో మాట.
Are you ready with the characters?
Yes.
All are ready? ఒకటి రెండు సార్లు చదువుకోండి. Just read 1 or 2 times. You have to live in the character. Are you ready? The other characters, you have to give a cunning smile. You have to say whenever they talk something, I don't like this. Something like that. Okay? You have to discouraging smile. Madam, are you ready with you? Ramesh? Ready with it? Sir?
Yes, yes.
Chair? Presiding chair? Ready? Anand? Vishal? Now, we are going to start the box section of committee meeting. Line Srinivas, to start.
Good morning, friends,
Good morning.
and I welcome to our club activities, and I welcome all the line prestigious line members and senior line members. So, in this annual project, we are going to in a carnival. So, I want your few ideas from you and how to make this carnival success, and I need all your support, and we have to teamwork, and we have to go with all your ideas, and I request all friends to suggest some of your ideas and impose your ideas. I request Mr. No, Sant, you are Mr. Vishal. Vishal, I request Vishal to contribute your ideas.
Basically, let me tell you, Vishal is over talkative. He never allowed other person to talk. Whenever the other person is talking, he will come in between, saying, discouraging that. Also, that is also one of the subjects. Yeah, according to the script, you can take.
Respected Chairperson, I think this much of members are not necessary for this carnival. And where do you get the funds for these prizes and all?
Because of that only, we have organized this committee meeting so that new ideas must come and how to organize this. And I have some ideas. We have some food vendors, some other people who are in our community. They are ready to help us. And how we take their help for this carnival. I request Mohan Garu, please convey your message.
Respected Chairperson, I agree with you because we are organizing this event, the annual carnival, for the past 10 years from our club, Hyderabad Lions Club, a prestigious Lions Club. So it is organized for the past 10 years successfully. So these many members are required to attend this meeting and this should be go on.
Thank you, Vishal. Thank you. Now
Sir, none of the local business are willing to donate anything. Now how you go with this?
No, it's not that issue, Mr. Vishal. We will discuss later about that. Please, can you please pass your mic to other Shailaja madam, please.
I agree with presiding officer Lion Srinivas what he says. I agree with him.
Thank you, Chari Garu.
And we should, I think, we should give some good constructive suggestions, or we have to support our president to, you know, make success of this program. I am with Lion Srinivas.
Thank you, Chari Garu, and I request Ramesh also give some suggestions to this
thank
carnival.
you, President sir. This is very good opportunity to prove ourselves and establish ourselves. And I have been into this committee. Actually, we are conducting this session, this program since 10 years. I have been into the committee since 8 years. Mr. Vishal, you please discourage the president that how can we generate the funds. We will contribute, otherwise we will go others, non-lines also.
No, Ramesh, we cannot, that is not important for this matter, because
But
we can take a
Vishal
Vishal's...
is mentioning how can you raise the fund.
No, definitely.
It is not an issue, right?
Maybe
we can make it.
he may be ignored how we kind of doing this project from since last 10 years. You know, because you are
that is what I
working
am
with
suggesting
me
him.
from 8
Don't
years.
discourage the president. We are there to do one program. So please do not discourage the committee members and the president
Okay.
also.
Okay, thank you, Ramesh, for giving me. I request Vishal, please give, wait for 1 minute, and I request Mr. Please, you share your views. You share your views. Take chance. Okay.
I'm with President Srinivas. Your idea was very nice, but try to motivate people, Vishal. It's it's a single person work. It's a team work. You need to try, motivate the people.
Dear, this is we are discussing about carnival, not for Vishal ideas. So let us discuss about our carnival. And yes, Shailaja, please. Okay. 1 minute, Vishal. 1 minute.
Actually, I know few businessmen who are willing to. I know few businessmen.
Okay. See, Vishal, already you know that you have been connected this project since 6 to 7 years, I think. But sometimes you are absent some of our carnivals. You are being a member also, you have not come some organizing. That's why you are having some wrong perception on this. So this time, if you involve in this project, definitely you will be positive mind. Next time, you will be the chairperson for this project. So please be with us and do something your contribution to this organization. Okay. Mr. Mohan, what Mohan said and what Ramesh also said. Please be with us for this time and you please you spare your time. So you never spare your treasure also, but this time I request you to spare your time and treasure, and you have much more talent, more than the chairperson. You have more talent. You can spend.
Not chairperson, you are not aware of my activities and my commitment to the club, and always.
Yes, we appreciate your contribution to this club, but this, okay. Thank you, and Mr. Bhushan Raman. Okay, thank you very much for giving your time for this carnival, and definitely we are going to be successful. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for the participants.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now. ఎవరు చేయమన్నది
అంతే సార్
Now, what we learned from what we learned from this Mohandas garu మీకు కావాలా కార్డు నేను మోహన్దాస్ గారు you want these cards yeah, what we learned from this one by one because one can find this time there for me even though there is different opinions in the
Yes. For a calm. Allow to talk and take one task.
in your characters who are affected to madam name Vishal sorry like Mohandas sorry sir only like Mohan they are affected they are not ready to take the new ideas why they are not taking the new ideas you know in the computer language cut paste last year I done same thing we're going to do. Why new ideas should come? Last year we were successful. This year also is going to be successful. Why a new idea should come? That's the way their attitude and thinking. So they're not ready to take your new thing. One more thing. Will be become famous and established in the other countries. Will be encouraged if new ideas implemented and become successful. Second. Third one.
Gender issue.
Gender. Absolutely.
I'm a woman, so I'm not allowed to talk.
Yeah. One thing in body language, one states is said like this. What is the meaning of this? Comfort. Given up. So this body language says that she's honest. What he said is correct. And I said, right. When you don't look into eyes, it is right. Come. Let us think. All close our eyes and think. If Shailaja and Anand has been implemented, how would have been the project? Just close your eyes and think. If new idea has been implemented into that, how would have been your project would have been?
The participation will be more.
Yeah, close your eyes, think for 1 or 2 minutes, then you come back. One by one, please go. Coolly think, just have the same sitting scenario, accepting Shailaja and Anand ideas, how would have been the outcome of the project? Yeah. What is your first one answer, quick answer. Tell me.
New member in both.
What will be the result? Good or bad? It will be good. It will be very good. Something new, right? Please have second level.
It is good to encourage the new people.
Take one more extra one.
To encourage the new people.
Because encourage one people means has been cut. That has been encouraged. New thoughts has been implemented, injected. What will be the result?
If their ideas are welcomed and implemented, the project would have been done.
No, we are talking about they have implemented. What is the outcome of the project?
The project would have been in a better way when compared to the previous years.
Yes. What? How it is better?
So when new ideas are coming.
Yes. New ideas added colors to that project.
Yes.
Madam? Yes. You tell about yourself. The first scenario you say you have been not encouraged. Second scenario is that your
If I have
ideas
been
been welcomed,
if I-
encouraged. How you motivate it?
If
The
my
first
i-
stage or second stage?
If my ideas would have been accepted, I would have got more funds,
More involvement.
more funds, and our project would have been, it could enhance our project in a more better way.
Ah.
And then we could have done it in a better way compared to the last year.
Yeah. In other your character also is saying you have a lot of friends who are prospective lines.
Yes.
You would have been
We could
made
have,
to come into the
they would
lines.
have been the prospect line members, they would have joined a Lions
Right.
Club, and maybe we could have extended another new club.
Yeah. How about you, please? Any more? One more, just don't have much time. One or two words, anybody? Meanwhile, you can go to the table. Or anything else? Sir?
The ideas are innovative and constructive. The project would have been the magnitude of the project would have been higher if we had implemented.
Absolutely. Because in her project, she said she knows some industrialist who can give the sponsorship and gifts. Definitely, if you made that, the information would have been spread to the community. And next year, the people will more and more try to.
And also we need change.
Finally, we all agree. The first sentence, sir, can you read it, please?
Improve understanding among the members.
Is it there? The second case, it will happen, not in the first place. The second point, sir,
We'll have experience, talented and dedicated members.
will help us. They are going to help us or not?
Yes.
Because they are dedicated members. Let us take into our lines, sir. How it is going to reflect in our lines.
Reduces complaints and grievances.
Okay? Diversity.
Leadership commitment.
Ways to support. Positive efforts should be there. Remove obstacles. In your manual, there are two other pages, exercise pages. You do it. Go to your back to your class. Try to implement your ideas. One thing I let me tell you, a small exercise I tell you. Let us take both the hands to up. Both hands. Look at me. Only look at me, please. This is diversity. This is inclusion. You know what is inclusion? Inclusion is respecting the other person, encouraging the other person, motivating the other person. If diversity only does not going to help you, inclusion should be also there. Both of them. This is inclusion, this is diversity. Okay? Join your hands, open your fingers, just like this. Like this. That's it. Say. Open up the finger. Just look at the finger only. Concentrate only on fingers. Only on fingers.
They're coming together.
Don't look either and there. Only look into the fingers. What is happening? Only connected. That is success. Understand that? When you close your concentrated this, both the things, you will be meeting success 100% without any faith. Hope we have. Your today's session is that define. First we define it or not?
Yes.
The second one. What are the dimensions? All understood that?
Yes.
Very clear?
Yes, sir.
Any more doubts? Again, benefit of culture, of diversity.
Yes.
That's what the norm session we had done.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Fourth and fifth are in the manual. Open the page, please. Page 4 and 5. I don't have manual here. 4 and 5. Okay. Everything is good. This we have to work out. Who is that person?
Nelson Mandela.
What he said?
I have learned that people will forget what you say. People will forget what you did. But people will never forget how you made them feel.
This feel is meaning good or bad. Good sometimes you forget. Bad you never forget in your life. उस दिन वो सारा मेरे को ऐसा बोला, we'll keep it. So let us not go into that. Because right